Hey friends, welcome to Shrini's Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to make one of the most popular lentil recipes from Punjabi cuisine. By now, most of you have probably guessed. Yes, we are going to make Dal Makhani. The recipe we are sharing to you has 3 major steps. Number 1. Soaking the lentils. Number 2. Cooking the lentils. Number 3. Making masala mix and cooking on low heat. 1/4 cup rajma or red kidney bean. Half a cup of black lentil or urad dal or black gram. I'm using split black lentil to reduce cooking time. You can use whole lentil. Wash urad dal and rajma together several times and soak overnight or at least 4 to 5 hours. Then drain and add them to the pot. Also add bay leaves. Pour 2 to 2.5 cups of water. Cook in a pot until soft and tender, adding more water whenever needed. You can also pressure cook for 8 to 10 whistles on medium heat. If you're cooking in Instant Pot, pressure cook for high pressure for 30 minutes. Both urad dal and rajma is cooked soft. Mash with a potato masher or use the back of the spoon to mash them. And set it aside. Heat a heavy bottom pot and add oil. You can use butter for more flavorful dal makhani. Add cumin, cardamoms, cloves, and cinnamon. All spices are optional except cumin. Allow to crackle. Next, add in the finely chopped onions and fry until they turn golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste and saute until raw smells goes away. Then add finely chopped tomatoes, salt, and saute for 2 minutes. Add turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, garam masala and cook until the tomatoes are cooked well and raw smell goes away. Add little water so that the masala mix don't get burnt. Saute well until the masala leaves the pan. Onions and tomatoes are cooked well in the masala. It's time to add the cooked lentils with the broth. Stir and cook on low flame until the dal thickens. I cook for about 60 minutes, stirring often in between to prevent burning the bottom. Slowly cook the dal tastes the best. You will need to add half a cup of water whenever the dal thickens. We used 1 to 1.5 cups of water as we cooked the dal makhani. Dal is cooked well. Nice aroma is coming. Let's add in a big drop of butter. Sprinkle kasuri methi and stir well. Pour cream and stir. Turn off the stove and garnish with finely chopped cilantro. Transfer to a serving dish. Garnish dal makhani with kasuri methi, butter, cream, coriander leaves. Serve dal makhani with naan, basmati rice, roti, or even zira rice. See how yummy and tasty this Dal Makhani is. Ooh, can I have the first bite, please? This tastes amazing. I wish I could eat this forever. We hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thanks for watching. If you like our channel, like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell. Catch you soon on our next video. Bye!